All right, hopefully you can see okay. It's getting a little dark here, but it looks to me like it's just a regular flat hinge that goes across there. Let me get you a measurement here. Like, what are we gonna say? 43 centimeters and 9 millimeters. That's what it looks like to me. And your width is gonna be 2 centimeters on the outer. And then I've just pulled the seal down on mine. I'm just gonna kind of shoot up in there. Maybe you can see how that kind of bolts in. You can see the hinge there. Sorry, the color's not the greatest, but it looks to me like it's just a flat hinge. And then the brass is where the screws are. So just screw straight up into it. Back up just a little bit so you can kind of get a reference point here. So it's just a flat hinge. There it is up in the, when it's up. I can get you a better video tomorrow morning, maybe, when we have a little light. Let me try killing the flash. Maybe that might help us out. Yeah, that might be a little better for you. So it's just flat. It's a flat piece, completely flat all the way across. What'd I say, 43.9? That's what we're talking. And then here, get under here for you. Yeah, it's just a flat hinge. There's a lip up inside here that you probably don't have. Go on the inside so you can see that. I don't know if you can make sense out of that or not. And that's where that seal sits on there. So if you order a seal, you should be able to figure out how deep to make that lip. That just goes up on there like that. All right. Clear as mud, as we would say. There's that. And they will kick out all the way straight. I don't have that one quite level, but they will kick out all the way. Let me get your measurement for the headlight. I did think I would be able to show you. You can see there where this lip kicks out on the bus, and it's about a 1/2 inch. I measured it earlier. It's about a 1/2 inch out. So I think you've got your lip about right, maybe. And that toes in right at the hinge point. I don't know if that's better or worse for you, but they're just married, just butt welded right there. So that lip goes all along, just behind the bumper there. And then the bumper's kind of in the way, but let me dodge down here. There's your front nose. So let me get you a measurement from that lip to the bottom center of this little nose here. So from that bottom lip to dead center of where the nose kind of makes its point is 2 centimeters. Almost exactly. I know you can't see that, but it's bending in right at 2 centimeters. And let me get you a width right there. So laying a 1-inch ruler straight on the little lip there, I am measuring where I can first kind of touch the edge over here. to where it would touch on this side. It looks like it's about 7.5. Mine has a dent there, unfortunately. So hopefully that helps you with that. And the last thing we needed, headlight bucket. From headlight bucket down to the lip, right? Let's do that. So I brought this ruler out here because it's actually thin enough. It'll slip right behind my ring here. Should be able to get you a pretty decent measurement. You can hear it hitting. So that's hitting that lip, so it's going to be on the bottom side of your bucket, your headlight bucket lip, on the body of the car. And let me actually move over a little bit here so I can find center. Alright, so just put a Sharpie mark where I think is center. And then if I measure down, and I'm going up to the bottom, you can hear it hitting the bottom of my bucket, which should be on the body. And we're at 21. However, my ruler has this gap, so you're actually at 21.2 centimeters down to that lip from the headlight bucket. And then this distance from my Sharpie mark here over to your bus edge, your front of your cabin edge, is going to be 23. I'll just confirm that here. Yep, so just confirm that. So you're going to be, I measured 23 centimeters in from what I'm seeing as center. Now you're seeing it a little differently than me because I have that bezel on. And then you're going to measure down to that lip is 21.2 centimeters. And I took into account my ruler being off up there, so whatever that measurement was should be accurate. Alright, hope that helps. If you need something else, let me know. My dad said the semaphore is you reach in and just gently tug on it and it should come out pretty easy. If it doesn't, there's a little spring at the top. You can stick kind of a teasing needle or something sharp in and just kind of tap that little spring up on top. He said he could do a quick video if you need it on how to do that. And then to get them out, you get the semaphore shaped elongated. You got a screw at the bottom and you push up on the semaphore and there's a little pin that comes out. So you unscrew that and then just tap up. The screw that's in yours is probably going to be super seized, so soak it first and you may have to use an impact driver. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Picked up a couple rings today of cable reels. I'll take you back and show you. My dad used to work for one of the local fiber companies. He doesn't work there anymore, but he got me a couple bus rotisserie rings. So this will be the next video. They're 96-inch outer diameter. I think they'll be plenty big, and I'm just going to weld. I'm going to take the two. We got an outer ring here and an outer ring here, and I'm just going to weld those two together. So I'm looking forward to that. That's going to be pretty cool. The best part was, don't tell everybody. I got them free. Work with what you got. Catch you on the next one, man. Incidentally, I had given you that measurement off Old Pickle, but you can see I'm Pickled Loaf and in no better shape than you are. So, lucky I had the backup bus because that isn't exactly factory. Good luck, man.